Racing just is started. We have enjoyed the magic. First to show quickness at the start. Moving a party outside. Love You by Heart. Dagaran Kid. In the middle portion, Aloha perfect pass. Then comes Northern Arrow. Miss Pangao is down on the inside. Medals time. Then next online is Enigmatic. And going along for the first turn, we have Love You by Heart by about 3/4 of a length lead. Aloha in second, medals time, perfect pass, Dagaran Kid, Northern Arrow, Miss Pangao. Then comes entry number 5, Enigmatic, moving up on the outside, Dash of Humor, down on the inside now is Enjoy the Magic. Eteritun comes next, then followed by Diridum, Citrus Admiral, second last, while Super Cup now racing in 14th. Another part turn, we have Love You by Heart by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second now is Dagaran Kid. Northern Arrow is down on the inside to take second. Aloha is racing in fourth. Miss Pangao comes next. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Love You by Heart by about 3 lengths. And in second is Northern Arrow, Dagaran Kid, Miss Pangao, Aloha. Last 100 meters, the curtain closer belongs to Love You by Heart. Second is Northern Arrow, then comes Dagatan Kid, Aloha close, Teritun, Enigmatic, and Miss Pangao.
Ayun, 7, 10, 13, 9.
11, Teritun, nakaremado.